Well, good morning. I'm Stuart.
I'm Chris.
He always jumps in. I don't know why he does this. Stop jumping in. Good morning and welcome to Silent Television. I'm not that grumpy that often, but anyway, we're going to take a look at a brand new Code 3 product available here on Sirenet. It's part of the RLS series. The unit itself is the 3999 or, and I must compliment Sirenet and Code 3 on our ability for me to remember these part numbers. So again, big shout out to Code 3 to using very straightforward part numbers. So on the 3999 or, the unit itself is a little different than the rest of the RLS family, which is available here at Sirenet. The major functionality difference with this control head is this area here. I'll explain to you a little bit about the other ones in a second, but it's in this particular area here. There's this button, and if you depress this button when the unit is operational, you then get additional functionality with the otherwise traffic arrow controller, as shown here. So on the lower version of this particular unit, this controls just the traffic arrow, but however, when you push this button on this version of the unit, you get additional functionality depending on what type of product you have connected to this remote control head. The unit, of course, has a standard 3-position slider, as you can see here, a variety of different push buttons going across the top so that you are able to control additional items as well. By the way, each of these will handle up to 10 amps. The unit itself is a 200-watt unit, tied in obviously with the amplifier, tied in with the speakers. And it does come with a series of legends, as do all within this particular RLS family, as I say, getting tongue-tied here. And that is what is available in this segment. And now over to Chris.
The amplifier box that's included with the system, really this is what is the makings for everything. So this is what you will tie your radios, your lights, your light bar, your speakers into to get all your controllability from your control head. Harness inputs all around the unit, so you can tie your wiring in. And what's great is it includes quick connect terminals, so you can take your accessories, plug them right into your amp. Nice thing as well for servicing, everything's proper in that it's labeled very clearly, so you'll know what's going to what, your speakers, your traffic advisor. On the side of the unit here, you have the ability to plug in and contain your microphone. Includes an extension harness, so you can plug it right in there. Also on the unit, you have the ability to flat mount it or side mount it. So with the tabs on the sides here, you could have it on a trunk tray, flat mounted, or in the back of a pickup truck or SUV, you could have it side mounted onto your interior consoles. What else do we have?
Well, I think you've pretty much covered it. Of course, we do have the radio mics. Always call them radio mics, but that's basically a PA microphone, tied in with, as Chris pointed out a moment ago, the cable, which in this case is 20 feet of cable, and that pretty much puts it all together. So a great product that is available here on Sirenet. It's available from Code 3. I'm Stuart.
I'm Chris.
And you're watching Sirenet TV. Thanks for watching.